Outstanding design defines the 2013 Hyundai Sonata. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.